Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So here we have another question from the same passage, and the direction for question is what? Answer the following questions based on the information provided below. As we have understood the text, let's look at the question. So the question asked here, which of the following illustrates the structural character of the passage the best? Now, if you observe that, what does the question ask? The question is asking which option best describes, right? Best describes. Describes what? The structure or style of the passage. It wants to know how the information is organized, organized, and presented. Isn't it? Organized and presented. Right. Now look at the choices. So if you look at the first choice, it is stated descriptive with personal anecdotes. So this option suggests that the passage is mainly descriptive and includes personal stories or experiences. Okay, let's see that the second one, analytical with a multiple perspective. So does the passage is analytical, examines and discusses and considers different viewpoints or angles on the topic? Okay. So three stated narrative with non-fictional elements. So does it imply that the passage tell a story, which is a narrative but is based on real facts or events, non-fictional? So we need to check that. Four, it is stated argumentative with a single viewpoint, right? Now, if you observe that, does it refer that the passage presents an argument trying to convince the reader of a single perspective? So let's look at the each one and analyze it. So if you observe the first one, it is stated descriptive with personal anecdote. The passage does not use personal anecdotes, right? Personal anecdotes. So, or personal stories or experiences. It focuses on what? Analysis and comparison, right? Not on describing experience. So hence one is eliminated. So let's look at the option 4. So it is stated argumentative with a single viewpoint. Now the passage is not argumentative with a single viewpoint, right? So it explores what? It explores, you can say, and considers different perspective rather than promoting one single point of view. Now, option 3 stated that, so hence we can find out option 4 is eliminated. Option 3 stated narrative with non-fictional elements. So, if we observe that neither it tells a story, uh, so now you can say that it's a kind of a non-fictional element. It is structured as an analysis rather than as a story with a character and a plot, right? So you can say that this is also eliminated. So option 1, 3, 4 are eliminated. Option 2 stated what? Option 2 stated analytical and multiple perspective. Yes, that's what we are discussing so far. The passage is analytical, meaning it carefully examines, examines and discusses the topic of a sudden self-transformation. Self-transformation, isn't it? Transformation. It looks at a multiple perspective, multiple, multiple perspectives, including psychological and spiritual angles, to understand the fact or phenomenon. And this is why you can consider option 2 is the best description of the passage structure, isn't it? So hence the answer should be what? Option 2. Hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.